This video is to help you with the ear training challenge. Ear training is learning to recognize musical patterns by ear. Learning and playing songs becomes easier as you learn to recognize the patterns that make up those songs. It helps make the music make sense. This ear training challenge is about recognizing intervals. Intervals are the distance between two notes. It's how close together or how far apart they are. The easiest way to learn them is to learn to recognize them in familiar songs. So these are going to be the basic intervals. Think of what the songs sound like. Try singing them and listening to what the first notes sound like. First off, we have unisons. Unisons are two of the same note. An example would be the first two notes of Happy Birthday or the first two notes of Twinkle, Twinkle, Little Star. Seconds. Seconds are the first two notes of the major scale. The major scale sounds like this. So it's 1, 2, those first two notes. The songs that begin with seconds are Rudolph the Red-Nosed Reindeer, Rudolph, or the beginning of Yankee Doodle. Thirds. These are the first and third notes of the major scale. Think of When the Saints Go Marching In, or the beginning of Kumbaya, or the beginning of the Blue Danube. Fourths sound like the first and fourth notes of the scale. This sounds like Here Comes the Bride, or We Wish You a Merry Christmas. Fifths are the first and fifth notes of the major scale. They sound like the beginning of Twinkle, Twinkle, Little Star. I'll do that again. Six are the first and sixth notes of the scale. That sounds like Dashing Through the Snow from Jingle Bells, or My Bonnie Lies Over the Ocean. Sevenths are the first and seventh notes of the major scale. There's a part of the Superman theme that has sevenths in it. The first and third notes of Somewhere Over the Rainbow. You can hear the seventh in there. Octaves, they're also known as eighths. An octave would be C to C, or D to the next D, E to E. They're 8 keys apart. Somewhere Over the Rainbow. Chestnuts roasting over an open fire. Let It Snow. And that's all it takes to learn how to recognize intervals by ear. Listen to the first two notes and play a game with yourself of Name That Tune. Decide which tune the first two notes sound like, and that will give you the interval. And that's how you do it.